What's up, everybody? Derek Soares, Photo Porto. So happy to be back. If it's your first time here, welcome, guys. Got a lot of good stuff on this channel. Starting with today, we're talking about some photography gear, which I love to talk about. On this channel, what you find a lot of is photography related, video related, and then me putting the proof of what I can do while doing family videos and stuff like that. So it's all very camera related over here. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I would really appreciate it. Drop a comment, like, whatever, all of that good stuff. Spread the word, guys. Help support. So today I'm talking about the 24-105 RF lens, the f4. Is it the perfect vacation lens? Well, let me tell you, I just got back from vacation, went to Walt Disney World. If you haven't seen some of those videos, there's some already posted and way more to come. Now, I think that it is a great lens. I have seen a lot of reviews, seen a lot of videos of people talking about, is it the best vacation lens? And a lot of people say that it is. I would have to agree that it is a great vacation lens. It covers all the distances you need from 24 all the way to 105. Sometimes you want that extra zoom, and it has it. And I was very happy. I was using the EOS R and that lens, and I loved it. I thought it was perfect for what I needed. The only downside, which there isn't too many for me, is I think there's only one, and it becomes a little bit of a heavy kit, you know, to bring with you. Besides that, I mean, image quality is great. The stabilization is nuts when you're filming. It's very good. You can get away with you can get away with some shake, and then, you know, fix it after by adding some stabilization to your shots when it comes to video. And everything was perfect, and I was very, very, very happy with it. It was one of the reasons why I bought it, was for a vacation, because I hate to have to bring too many lenses with me. I like prime lenses. I love my prime lenses, don't get me wrong, but I wanted to bring one lens that would cover everything that I need, and the 24-105 does just that, if that's what you're wondering. For video, I love it. You can check out my Disney family videos. Those ones will show you what the quality is like. Although I did use a lot of iPhone, because sometimes iPhone is just easier, quicker to get out of your pocket. Unfortunately, on this vacation, I did get really, really sick, unfortunately, but I held it together to get as much as I could done and to not miss out on anything with the kids, with the family, and not hold them back for anything that they would like to do. So I did it all. I did it all while running a fever most of the time. So when we came to Walt Disney, I had pre-planned to film so much stuff. Fortunately, it was like the second day we were here, I started to get sick. Started to get a cough. Then I actually got a fever, congestion, the whole thing. And luckily for me, the fever hit worst on the day that we didn't have plans to go anywhere. So we just walked around Disney Springs, and I held it together so that I could spend time with the family. But I didn't get to record half of the things that I wanted to record. Also, I'm running on Tylenol and Advil, and some fever, cough, sore throat type pills, and Halls. Yeah, you can hear my voice. It keeps messing up, in and out, right, man? But it was a perfect vacation, and it was the perfect travel lens. So if you haven't got one, yes, it costs a pretty penny, but it is a pretty lens, and it's pretty good for everything that you need. Not pretty good, it is damn good, damn near amazing. And people may say, yeah, but it's f4, I want the 2.8 or something like that. And I understand that. If you're gonna go to a place like Walt Disney World, or if you're gonna go on a vacation, you will want those backgrounds in focus. And so for me, the vacation side of things, it is the lens, the best lens. For me, it is the best lens. All I'm gonna say is a 24-105 RF lens, the f4, man, that is a great lens to bring on vacation. So if you're planning a vacation and you're a photographer or you like to film, that is a great lens to bring with you. It is a great choice. A little bit heavy, besides that, perfecto. Peace, guys. Catch you on the next one.